Do I like this bill? No, because I tried to take care of Alaska's interests. But I know that in many parts of the country, there are Americans that are not going to be advantaged by this bill. I don't like that.
I mean, we can't be cutting health care for working people and for poor people in order to constantly give special tax treatment to corporations and other entities.
Both of you cowards voted for it. Shame on you. No fucking balls. No fucking backbone. You're pathetic. Fuck off.
Big Mad Media.